How to change language in Google Chrome. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. And once you do that, you want to click on the three dots at the top right corner, then click on Settings. And here you need to scroll down to the advanced section, and from there click on languages. You will land on this page right here, in which you will be able to change a lot of options when it comes to Chrome languages. For example, the first option, you can change the app language, and the second option, you will be able to change the website language, and the third option, you will be able to customize the translation settings. For the sake of this video, we will only focus on the first option that says Chrome's language. Click on it, and here you will be able to find a large list of languages that you can choose from as to set as the Chrome app language. Say for example you wanted to choose French. All what you have to do is click on it. If the app is not already downloaded, it will be downloaded. It won't take that much of time, and as you can see, it tells you the language is ready. Restart Chrome. So you need to close the app and reopen it again for the language to be applied. As you can see, now the Chrome language has been changed to French as we choose. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change the language on Chrome. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.